I chose baby speaking because I have worked with other families in the past, and it's always kind of a big process finding a family that works with your schedule, that you know is going to be good, that you fit with, and baby speaking really just helped that process and made it easier for me. And I was able to look through family files and choose a family I really felt would fit me the most and with my schedule. And baby speaking really did all the work, so it was way easier for me, so that's why I chose baby speaking. Yes, I love working for baby speaking. I've gotten really close with the girls I watch, and it's really been a great experience. I'm sad it's coming to an end soon, so I really recommend it. The families are great, at least the one I'm working with, so I do love working for baby speaking.
I would definitely recommend the agency for work in France. They were kind, considerate, respectful, organised, and with the training and the facilities and the equipment that are supplied, it makes it so easy and a lot of fun.